I know some meatloafs can be dry and boring, but this one isn't. It is a Mexican turkey meatloaf with taco seasoning, enchilada sauce, green chilies, salsa, all kinds of flavor goodness in this, and you are going to love it. In a large mixing bowl, combine ground turkey. I prefer the 85% lean ground turkey, but if you want to go leaner, you do you. Add green chilies, drained canned black beans, finely diced onion, oatmeal, red salsa, an egg, and taco seasoning. And now you're going to mix it, and then you're going to add it to a 9x13 baking pan and create a loaf shape. And then you're going to bake uncovered at 375 degrees for 1 hour. Then you're going to remove the meatloaf from the oven, cover with enchilada sauce and sharp cheddar cheese, and then bake an additional 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can eat it just like it is, and it's going to taste amazing. But I like to add fresh chopped tomatoes, fresh sliced jalapenos, and a little bit of cilantro. Serve with some good sides, and you have a tasty meal. For full recipe and cooking tips, hit the link in the description and visit aforkstale.com.